Who can make it through the intersection? Oh no! We got an accident right in the middle. We got trouble. Oh no! Boom! 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 Oh, who's stronger?
Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys.
Well, hey there, guys. What do you have right here?
We have Thomas and Friends Trackmaster trains.
Whoa, Thomas and Friends Trackmaster. Pretty cool. You got a bunch of them. Who do you have right there in the end? Tell me who they are.
Mike, Gordon, James, Scotsman, Spencer, Edward. And he forgot his tender.
Oh no, Edward's tender's missing. Okay.
Percy, Thomas, Diesel 10, Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle, Thomas, Percy, Diesel, Percy, Gordon, Percy, Salty, Arthur, Emily, and Samson, Victor, and Toby.
Oh, cool. Plus you've got some other, coaches and cars and tenders over here.
Troublesome truck!
Oh, who's that?
Troublesome truck.
That's a troublesome truck, right?
Yeah!
Yes. We've got a Ferdinand, a Percy, and Emily, Dart, Hero, Stanley,
and two Stanleys.
And look at that, a trophy cup. That must be from the Great Race.
Also, this comes on.
Alright, very cool. And plus, look at this. You got a track right here. Are we trying to crash them into each other?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get them on the track. Let's put a couple on the track and see what happens. Okay, Mike is going around. Who are we lining up next? Flying Scotsman. And he's missing a tire. Oh, no. Okay, let's just do one. Okay. Ready? What's going to happen?
Touchdown!
The Flying Scotsman is gonna catch you. Who's faster, the Flying Scotsman or Gordon? Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Crash! Oh no!
Crash!
Oh, there's an accident.
Took down. Percy wins.
All right, here goes Percy, and here's the Flying Scotsman. There's gonna be trouble ahead. Oh! Just froze. You're hauling Doc Hudson around, aren't you?
Racer.
And there's Thomas. He's like a glow-in-the-dark Thomas. He's pushing him. Oh no!
Oh, it's
Edward! Oh, it's on his side.
Edward!
Whoa! Oh, it's Edward. Yeah. That's what I meant to say. Edward, glow-in-the-dark Edward.
Oh no! Edward crashed!
Oh no! You're on the track. There's a giant girl on the track. Get out of the way! Oh no! Oh, look at this. We've got a really fast Thomas versus a really fast Spencer the Grand.
And here comes Stevie's
Oh, and Thomas got knocked off. The Diesels, Diesel 10 and Diesel.
What?
Diesel. Oh no, he's pushing Doc Hudson. Oh no.
And Salty!
And now we've got a Salty. Hi there, me hearty. I'm Salty, and I'm gonna catch these diesels and take care of them. Whoa, meow.
No,
there you go. Is there gonna be an accident? Oh, not yet. Salty's gonna push him around, isn't he?
And he's gonna have an accident if we do that.
Yep.
Oh, how about this?
Oh. Here comes Salty. Oh, it took out Salty.
I'm gonna push those stinky steamies.
Oh, here comes Diesel. There's gonna be trouble.
And Thomas, he's gonna crash
trouble,
when Diesel pushes him. Oh no, this is not an accident. He's gonna push him. He's gonna push him. Oh!
He's gonna push him off. Almost. Watch out. No. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, he did it, Diesel. Okay, here comes Thomas. And we've got a Diesel. Oh, here they come around the bend. Do you think Diesel's gonna catch Thomas?
Yeah, because he's chugging so fast.
He is chugging so fast. Diesel's catching up. Oh no.
And
He's catching up. Oh no.
boom!
Uh-oh. He's pushing him. Get out of my way, Thomas. Oh boy. Oh, Diesel dead. Oh.
You don't mess with the diesel.
Okay, here comes Thomas again. And there goes Percy following him. Uh-oh. And now Diesel. Oh no, what's Diesel trying to do? He's gonna go get him or something?
Yes!
Oh no. This isn't gonna be good.
He's gonna catch him.
Oh, that Diesel's catching Percy. What's gonna happen? Whoa, there's a giant girl on the track again. Go,
I'm a tunnel.
Oh! He knocked over. Okay, here comes Percy down the line. Oh no, up ahead, a troublesome truck full of black chocolate? Okay. Oh crap! Ooh. Oh no, now he's covered in black chocolate. Oh man, coming down the line we've got Gordon and Thomas and Spencer and Eraser Percy. Oh boy, we're gonna have some crashes right here. Oh boy. Who's catching up? Thomas is catching up to Gordon. Percy's catching up to Spencer. Oh, there's gonna be an accident. I can just feel it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, that was a close one.
That was a close one.
That was a close one. Oh, here we go.
Team Percy wins.
Here comes
Percy
Percy.
and Spencer win.
Percy and Spencer. They made it through.
Whoa!
Oh, right away we got an accident. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. What happened? They're stuck. Oh, boy, we got an accident here. We got another. Whoa. Spencer made it through. Oh, boy. What's gonna happen? Oh, look at that. Hey, Spencer, what are you doing? Oops. What's gonna happen right here in the middle? What's gonna happen here in the middle? Whoa! Still going. They're still going. Oh, my Scotsman just got through. This is like Crazy 8 Crashers, right?
Yes!
Whoa, that's a close one. Who can make it through the intersection? Uh-oh! Oh, Spencer got knocked out. Good job, Thomas. Go. Whoa. Some are getting pushed, some are going fast. Oh no. Oh, boom! Oh, we got 3 down. Boom! Who wins? Mine's got Here we go. Oh boy, what's gonna happen? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the track. Oh! Here they come. Down the line, it's the great race.
No. You're chugging.
First he knocks him out.
It's chugging. Spencer. Oh no! What is going on?
Well, Percy, Spencer, Thomas, Scotsman, and Percy. Thomas. Percy, Spencer, Gordon, the shooting star. What happened there? Oh boy. Oh, the shooting star makes it through.
Catch him up!
Oh, they both went up. Oh!
Punch!
Everybody's getting hit and knocked over. Oh boy! Whoa, that was a close one.
Push!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! We got an accident right in the middle. We got trouble. Oh no! Oh no!
They're still
There
going!
we go. Good job. Oh boy! We're gonna have accidents. Ooh, they just passed it. Oh man, Diesel is pushing Spencer all over the place. Oh no! What's happening right there? Thomas is pushing. Ah! It's a close one. Okay, we got the intersection right here. Go, Flying Scotsman.
Ah!
Oh no. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, Diesel got him. Percy and Thomas. And Spencer. Oh no. Percy. Thomas. Whoa, that was a close one. Here goes Thomas and Spencer. Oh no. Go, Diesel.
Whoa!
Oh boy. Oh. Hurry up, Slowpoke. I'm Spencer the Grand. Spencer's pushing him around. He's gonna push him right into trouble. Boom! Spencer, stop pushing me.
Don't mess with the table. That's it. I am out of here.
He's out of here. Oh, he's going across.
Now, hey, big
Diesel's pushing the Flying Scotsman.
Hey, Flyman. You wanna push?
The Flying Scotsman. Oh boy. Oh, that was a close one. I think we need to add in another one like this. Diesel 10. Oh no. Boom! Diesel 10 said, get out of my way. Steamies. Oh no. Samson and Thomas. And here comes Diesel 10. He's on a rampage. He's ready to take out anybody that gets in his path. Steamies. Get out of my way. Oh boy. What's gonna happen? Diesel 10 is gonna knock somebody out.
Whoa!
Whoa, this isn't gonna be good. Oh no! Get out of my way, Samson! Oh boy. Here he comes. Samson's pushing Diesel. He's saying, you meanie. You knocked me over before. Get out of my way! And he ran off the track. Whoa, that was a close one. Oh, we got an accident. Who's gonna crash next? Oh no! Boom! Oh no! Boom! Diesel 10 made it through. Now he's gonna try to catch Mike. I'm coming for you, Mike.
Out of my way, silly Stevie.
Oh, he's gonna get PERCY! Boom!
Hey!
Oh, we got an accident over there. What's going on over there? There we go. We gotta switch them back and forth. Oh no! Oh, who's gonna push you? Oh, here comes Thomas to the rescue.
Whoa! Almost crashed.
Boom!
Hey!
Oh, the flying Scotsman. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, boom.
Oh!
Oh, that was a close one. Boom! Oh, who's stronger? The flying Scotsman. Oh, Diesel tennis. Oh. Crash.
That's it. I'm getting a surprise for him. Ah! Oh no! Jesus!
Oh, there's no trouble. Oh, looks like trouble. Oh, no trouble. Make it through the intersection. Whoa! Oh, crash, 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 crash. Oh, who's stronger? Who's stronger? Who's stronger? Oh no, look at it. Yeah. Alright, well these Thomas Trackmasters are pretty fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. And with this Trackmaster topper, you can make any kind of variation or track that you want to. So very cool. Well, that was a lot of fun playing with these.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for more Thomas and Friends Trackmaster videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?